In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Classroom as a student. Embarking on your educational journey has never been easier thanks to digital platforms like Google Classroom. This powerful tool allows for a seamless connection between students and educators, making learning more accessible than ever. Whether you're new to online learning or just new to Google Classroom, this guide is designed to help you navigate through the process smoothly. Let's begin by going to google.com. This step seems straightforward, but it's essentially your gateway to accessing Google Classroom and a host of other Google services. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and links, but your next step is to locate the Sign In button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. This step is crucial because Google Classroom operates under your Google account, ensuring your information is secure and personalized. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is where having a Google or Gmail account comes in handy. If you've used services like Gmail, Google Drive, or any other Google product before, you'll use the same account here. This ensures a seamless integration of services and a smoother user experience. The next step involves entering your password. Make sure you input your password carefully to avoid any access issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Google provides straightforward instructions for resetting it. Once your password is entered, click on Next to proceed. You're almost there. Your dedication to joining your classroom is about to pay off. Now that you're signed in, you'll notice the Google Apps menu, often symbolized by a grid of dots located in the top right corner near your account icon. Clicking on this will drop down a menu showcasing various Google Apps. Look for the Google Classroom icon. It's often represented by a chalkboard or a classroom scene, making it easily recognizable. Clicking on Google Classroom will transport you to a new page, likely greeting you with any classrooms you are already a part of, or a prompt to join a new one. If you're navigating Google Classroom for the first time, don't worry if it looks a bit empty. That's about to change. You can either follow the direct links provided, or typically, once in Google Classroom, look for a navigation pane or the main menu usually found on the left-hand side. Here you should find an option such as Your Classroom, which will show any classes you've already joined or have invitations to. The next steps involve interaction within a specific classroom. By clicking People within your chosen class, you can view fellow students, teachers, and any pending invitations. If you've been provided a link directly by your teacher or a classmate, following it will likely bring you to this section or a similar area in Google Classroom. If you're in the position to invite other students, depending on your permissions in the classroom, you will find an Invite Students button. This feature is particularly useful for educators or students who have been given administrative roles within their classroom. To invite someone, simply type in their email address. Ensure you have the correct email address, as this will directly affect whether or not they can join the class without issues. Google Classroom will then display profiles matching the email address you've entered. Once you select their profile, clicking on Invite sends an invitation to join the class. This process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring anyone can navigate it easily. Remember, Google Classroom is a versatile platform designed to enhance the educational experience for both students and educators. By following these steps, you're not just joining a digital classroom, you're opening the door to a world of learning opportunities. Whether it's sharing resources, completing assignments, or engaging in discussions, Google Classroom facilitates a connected and collaborative educational environment. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated the process of joining Google Classroom as a student. Don't forget, learning is a journey, and tools like Google Classroom are here to support you every step of the way. Keep exploring, stay curious, and make the most of your digital learning experience. Happy studying!